Okay, now student, we will discuss about Operation Flood. So what is Operation Flood? It is a system that all the farmers can pool their milk produce according to different grading, and the same is processed and marketed to urban centers through cooperatives. That means in Operation Flood, the farmers will produce their milk. Okay, they uh, they will uh, they will collect the milk. They will collect the milk. Okay, all the farmers will produce their milk. After that, they collect their all their milk, and what they will do, they make a grading. They make grade it. Okay, they make it a grading. After that, they will process it, and they will send it to the urban market through cooperatives. Okay, that means first they produce milk. Okay, after that they collect the milk from all the farmers. Okay, then they grade it, then they make a grade it. After that, they process the milk, and then they then they send their milk to the urban centers. Okay, through cooperative system. Okay, in this system, farmers are assured a fair price and income from the supply of their milk. That means whatever amount of milk they send to the urban centers, they get a fair price and income, and that is why the important role of cooperative is here. Okay, the cooperatives, what cooperative is doing, the cooperative system, in this cooperative system, the cooperatives are collect the milk from the farmers. Cooperative system, in cooperative systems, they collect the milk from farmers. After that, they grade it. Okay, they processed it and sent to the urban centers. These urban centers give them a fair price and income. Okay, and that is the important of cooperative system here, because due to cooperative system only they sell their product, they sell their milk to the urban centers. And Gujarat state held as a success story in efficient implementation of milk cooperatives, and we see this cooperative system in Gujarat, and they success this system, and that is why so many peoples in Gujarat are engaged in cooperative systems, and they earning some income, and they earning some income in cooperative system. And some other states also follow this cooperative system now. Okay, after successing the Gujarat state of cooperative system in milk, some other states now also follow these systems. This is the theme of Operation Flood. Okay, next we will discuss fisheries.